My name is Anthony Famularo. I'm an attorney for brands and creatives. I help register and enforce intellectual property rights, or IP rights. And those IP rights include patents, trademarks, and copyrights. Today, I'm going to show you how to take some steps to protect your brand and secure your own IP rights. And while this is not legal advice, and you should consult with an attorney regarding any specific application, I'm going to give you a general educational overview on the process. And remember, you can always contact me for a free consult on any specific application or brand name idea you may have. When you're starting your own brand and looking to secure your own IP rights, one of the first steps is usually to apply to register at least one trademark with the United States Patent and Trademark Office, or USPTO. So first, choosing your trademark is key. As part of that process, you're going to want to perform a clearance search to make sure nobody has registered your mark or registered any other marks that could be confusingly similar to your brand name. And remember, your brand name should be distinct and unique to your business. Avoid generic terms or terms that are already in widespread use. Once you've picked your brand name, you need to determine what type of application you're filing. The most common types of applications are based on use of the mark in commerce or intent to use the mark in commerce. Determine which basis applies to your situation. After submission, the USPTO will assign an examining attorney to your application. They'll assess the mark's eligibility and conduct their own search. The examining attorney will either approve your application as submitted or issue an office action requesting clarification or supplementation. If you receive an office action, it's important to respond promptly. Typically, an office action will have a 3-month deadline from which to respond or to file a request for an extension of time. If your application is approved, it will be published for opposition. This allows others an opportunity to contest your application before it is registered. Typically, if unopposed, registration will be approved 30 days after publication date. Even when no office action is issued, the entire process from application through registration can take several months. And that's all the more reason why it's important to have an attorney represent you from the outset. Because if you make a mistake with your application, the process can take well over a year. Now that you know a little more about the USPTO application process, you can make better decisions to protect your brand. By following these steps and seeking legal counsel, you can ensure that your next trademark application is processed successfully. If you're ready to proceed with a trademark application or you have more questions, feel free to reach out for a free consult. Again, my name is Anthony Famularo, and I help register and enforce intellectual property rights.